Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sorry about the delay. I had some stuff to do, but here we are. Just about time for the comics open. So everything is fine, everything is cool. Do I have my volume on? Yeah, I have. All right. So what is happening? Look at this price action. Wow, this is just terrible. Severe Thanos hate there. Yeah, I was here. I was just I was at the computer. I was just doing some stuff. And so what is happening? Let's see. What is happening so far? Well, nothing, I guess. I forgot to drink my coffee in the London session. Now I'm not going to forget it. So it seems like that this buy side at 26 is still there. Interesting. Almost 20 points away. I sneezed. All right. So that's interesting. What else do we have? All-time high is at 704. Could we go for the all-time high again once more? It's all depending on ES. Could be going. Could be going there. I saw that Bitcoin is also bullish, right? That's a good thing. Okay. Let's try to do something here. I mean, no, we're not gonna try anything. Futures are open in 7 minutes. We are ranging in, let's see, oh my god, 94, like in 20 pips range. That's brutal since I got how many hours? 5, more than 3 hours in a range. Absolutely untradeable, guys. Absolutely untradeable. So that's not good. Man, actually, Nasdaq just got turned off. Nasdaq is officially turned off. Has been turned off. That's what I meant to say. This is terrible. It's perfectly not good. Grim Trades, morning. Welcome. Good to see you. How are things? Please tell me everything is fine, both trading wise and life wise. I sure hope so. All right. Still have this 15-minute order block down there. Makes this a little bit difficult, but we might see this going down. I really want to see this pop higher, take the fair value gap right there, and then go lower. Trading is okay. Still no payouts, but we working on at it. All right, that's good. That's good. Keep at it, and I'm sure it will work out. So you and me are in the same boat. I mean, one payout I had in February, but that was so small, and things are progressing a little bit slower than I anticipated with these accounts, but what can I do? I cannot do anything about it, unfortunately. Okay. This is also a 1 hour fair value gap. 1 hour and a 15 minute. Okay. All right. All right. Just wanted to make sure. Just wanted to make sure. 1 hour slash 15 minute fair value gap. Yeah, let's put it there. Let's put it there. I would be really curious where it wants to go. I mean, we have relatively cool highs up there. Only here at the top. Are we gonna go for it? I don't know. I do not know. All right. Futures almost open. So fair value gap there. Yeah, fair value gap down there. Nice sell side liquidity. Olivier, hey there. Is 80% the max discount that Apex offers, or I could expect 90%? Well, the question is good. The 90% offer, usually they do it like maybe 2 or 3 times a year. Last time it was in February, and before that it was in November. I think it was November or October, not sure, maybe at the end of October, early November, something like that. So I would expect the next 90% come around maybe by the end of next month. I don't know, or maybe May, during May. They should be doing it once more in the future. I mean, last year they did it maybe twice or 3 times. So we had one 90% sale. The next one should be available in a month or maybe in 2 months. You know, there's a 90% sale at BULENOX, but I have to remind you that it's not lifetime 90%. It's only for the first month of the account. So just to add on to that. So at BULENOX only for the first month, but for Apex you get it all the way until you're doing the challenge or evaluation. So yeah, for now I think 80% is not that bad, you know, but it's all on you. It's all on you. I would expect I would expect to have a 90% sale maybe, well, in about a month or 2, hopefully. So I have ordered the BULENOX pool. I want to. Oh, okay. Well, you know, 80% is still not that bad, especially if you go with 50k accounts. You know, I mean, yeah, I get it. Methodical man, hey. I think the timing of the 80% sale ending on Wednesday might indicate Really? Okay. There you go. There you go. We might be. That would be awesome. Methodical man. That's good info. Thank you. Thank you. By the way, Methodical man, can I send a message to you? I don't see you on Discord. It's not that important. I just want to ask small information as a help. I mean, yeah, you're on there. Okay, I'm just gonna send you a text message, and whenever you have time, it's not important. That's it. You're on Discord. Okay, I'm just gonna message you then. All right, all right. Just wanted to know. I am gonna message you. All right, so futures are open. Black Beauty Machine, The Watcher. A lot of great YouTubers here. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So, tell me, what's happening, guys? What is going on? London was okay. I took actually a long position right here, as you see here. And as usual, and that's the thing I have to fight against, really. As usual, I got cold feet. And I closed it earlier. But hey, maybe you were here. I don't know if you heard it. I won a 150k expert account at my funded futures yesterday. Trader weight, 150k expert account. That was awesome, man. So that's the good news. You see that? All right. I was surprised. I never win anything. But that was good. I'm not sure I can manage that the same way. It's too much profit I have to make. I have to go with bigger risk. That's the only way to go. Risk big. So what is happening? What is happening? Oh, my phone. I'm not trusting this short. I don't like this. I know this is a market structure shift, but I just don't like this. So, yeah. Not really my thing here, but that doesn't mean it cannot go down. But it was going sideways for so long, and as time goes, I don't know. We have the sell side liquidity here. Oh, look at that. Now it's dropping from 600. Can it go down all the way? Like, that would be like a 40-point drop. Equal highs at 600 area. Let's zoom out on a bigger, on the 1 minute, yeah. 600 area. Oh, okay. I see that. Okay. Yeah, I totally forgot. From the news. Yeah. Let's check out the news. Minus. Okay, so that's better than expected. Okay. Interesting levels here. If we inverse the 1 minute, I will take a long. Okay, good idea. Look at this. That's actually, yeah, good point there. That's actually a good point. This is actually an order block too. Not the perfect one, but almost like a bearish order block on the 1 minute. So this one can be broken higher, and buy side liquidity at 26 could be a good one. Methodical Man is a huge celebrity, guys. Huge. If you don't know him yet, check out his stream. We're going to be streaming together on Thursday. So, London session. And then he's going to have even bigger celebrities. All right. We're back here. Now this can be tricky. If this is something we would like to be as an inverse, we need this to go higher. Close above. We need this to close above. This one can be also an aggressive short entry, but I don't know. I do like the 15-minute order block, but until market open, you know, it's not far from for NQ. It can just, you know, skyrocket 30 points like super easy. Super easy. All right, still in the gap. Still in the fair value gap. Don't know what's gonna happen here. I don't really trust this short. As Methodical Man said, this would be better as an inversion gap. We need this to close higher. But the problem is it was so close to that 1 hour fair value gap up there, to the buy side. And it took quite some time to break out from this range here. Now it broke out. It can be a fake out, and no, it's not. Look at that. We're dropping. Okay, then if this continues, yeah, it should be taking out 64. Wow, what a drop. What a drop. Yeah, this is like, what the hell? This is something I did not expect. I mean, not this sharp. 92, 93 down to 71 in a few seconds. Something was happening. Is there some kind of a news? Durable goods, okay. Okay, it's gonna take out 64. In this case, it seems like that the classic ICT setup could have worked out, right? The classic ICT short could have worked out in this scenario. It's very close there. LR should be going down, taking out that level. 64. 64 should be taken out. Yeah, there you go. 64 taken out. And now we are getting down to the order block, the 15-minute order block. Next target is at 50. Wow, what a drop. What a drop here. It's too late to enter a short now. Too late to enter. Only thing we have here is, yeah, the 50. Order block starts at 48. I don't know. I don't know. Going back into the chop zone from yesterday. Oh yeah, don't tell me about it. Oh my god, that was awful. One chop zone to another. Me neither, man. It's not looking good. I do feel a little bit of FOMO, but it was, you know, entering here to a short before market open is a little bit risky, especially if you have a 1 hour / 15-minute fair value gap as a strong buy side level above you here. Could have just easily spiked higher, and that was a lower probability trade, but it happens. Now I think it should continue lower to that 15-minute order block. Next sell side should be the low of that order block, which is, come on, there you go, sell side, which is right there. Interesting that we did the same thing but the opposite way. After midnight, price immediately went into premium. Never tried to return actually. But if this one continues to sell, well, it can go down. This is risky. As closer we get to the market open, it gets riskier and riskier. So we left alone equal highs, yeah. So when we're talking about equal highs, I'm guessing that you are referring to this level, right? Or something higher. This is that 600 level right there, equal highs. I do like that. Also this one too, yeah. And in the gap. Oh yeah, here. So these are good targets actually. And I agree that we left these. Now this one here, this is actually a nice order block. And I'd like to see price going through here if the buy side is really a target. Took out some sell side, which is great, but the show is far not over. We just have to make sure where it wants to go. There are targets both on the downside and on the upside too. But despite that I missed this move, there could be some more into this. I will be watching the 2-minute gap now for a close above. Okay, it could just keep selling. Yeah, let's check the 2-minute. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. I see what you mean there. So this is a 2-minute. Yeah, if it keeps selling, if it goes back above 78, man, I don't even remember when I have ever taken a a trade on the 2-minute chart. But this looks very nice. Bearish order block, fair value gap. Looks good. Market structure shift here and here too. The swing low could be a good one. Drop after Trump sell parts of oh. DJT. Well, so hold on. I mixed it. Donald J. Sell parts of Donald J. Trump. Is that DJT or what? Trump Towers. Oh, Trump Towers. Ah, yeah. Okay. Trump Towers. I heard that he got fined with quite a huge amount. or something. He has to make some extra cash, I guess. But I think it's not gonna be a problem for him. Okay. 48. Trump Media and Technology Group. Wow. Did you see that cargo ship hit a bridge? Oh, I saw it on the news. Actually, it's on the Hungarian news as well. Where is it? Hungarian, one of the biggest news website. Also talking about this today. Baltimore Bridge crashed. That is like, wow. I was like, oh my gosh. That is, yeah, unfortunate. Plus 25% actuality. Yeah. Look at this. What is this doing right now? Are you guys looking to enter a trade, or any of you guys are in a trade right now? I do think that on the 15 minute, if I go to the 15 minute, look at this. We have this beautiful order block here. Here on the 15 minute. We have sell side below that. Price should be breaking that order block. We just, oh my god, look at this. Market structure shift on the 15 minute. Wow. This one is a very good target there. Yeah. Should be seeing that go down. And I think it will. How far is that? It's risky to jump in. I do like that swing inside the fair value gap on the 15 minute. Looks juicy. Oh, you mean this area? No, that's not it. That area right there, right? Oh, sorry. Arrive sell side. Oh yeah, this one. I love that too. This one is very, 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 very good. This order block should be broken. We have the midnight level right down there. Nothing has moved below that level yet. So the only problem is the market open, guys. How do you enter if you're so close to market open? I'm guessing you're not entering at all. Let me put that out. So we have that beautiful sell side. We have the order block level. 4 hour will tell the story today. I think we were so close to inversing it, but it's moving back down now. 4 hour. I'm gonna go to the micro chart here because oh yeah. Yeah. Also, we were talking about this beautiful 1 hour down there. This candle. This 1 hour candle is just beautiful. Below, beautiful 1 hour fair value gap, bullish pin bar. This is like a magnet. Could this be a market make or sell model? I don't know. This created a 1 minute bearish order block, which means price can get back up here, maybe reprice at 585 and then sharply drop down. Not sure. Okay, Corey, hey there. Good to see you. How you doing? Long time no see. Yeah, absolutely. Very, very long time no see. How you doing? Yeah, I know. How is life treating you? He's a fellow Hungarian trader as well. Okay. 15 minutes still looks... This is so tempting to jump in here. Mm-hmm. 63, 8, 48. No idea. No idea what's going on here. Not very much time because I started. Oh yeah, you told that. How's work so far? I hope you at least. I mean, I hope at least it pays good and you like it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm okay. Trading, well, I had my ups and downs in the past few weeks. Hopefully I get some funded accounts in a couple of days or weeks. So far it's okay. The channel is growing. I'm very happy. You know, we have more and more people subscribing, some very good people joining to the streams, and I'm actually very happy about that. So but yeah, I hope you're not giving up on trading. KRK or Kari. I'm gonna call you Kari from now on. Don't ever give up on trading, guys. If you have the passion for it and you like it, just never give up on it. I'm trying to decide whether to buy 10 Apex and full send tomorrow or take a chance and wait till Thursday to see if they have a 90% sale. I was thinking about the same thing actually, Methodical Man. Skyfair is past another eval. Wow. It's a beast. Never, that's it. So I was thinking the same, Methodical Man. But I was thinking maybe if Apex is not gonna do it, maybe I can do it with BULENOX, but I already have 3 accounts with BULENOX. 2 of those accounts, which I share here on YouTube, are very close for being funded. Not that I don't like BULENOX so far, because I don't have further experience, but I don't want to have for now much more evaluation. Maybe I think I'm gonna go with Apex or something. All while sleeping. Congratulations there. Oh yeah, yeah. One already got to the payout, right? Yeah, you got to the payout with one account, and that is awesome, man. That is awesome. Yeah, the 25K. Actually, if we think in numbers and percentages and trading strategy, 25K is just as good as the 50K, because at the end of the day, you're gonna manage like, you know, $2,000 ish anyway. So if you get the account to profit, then it's already a real bad thing if you're just losing $1,500 in a trading session. So you know what I mean. Gonna open it up. Nice. 450 away from second payout. Easier to get to payout. Easier to get to payout, in my opinion. Yeah, on a 25K, definitely. Definitely. And by the way, it's a huge deal at BULENOX getting to the payout. $3,600 to take out 1,000. Please, Methodical Man, update everyone how the payout went through, and I mean, how did it go? Because I'm really curious. I'm really curious. Just let everybody know, because if we know that you have money, then we're gonna be asking for more favors. You know how it goes. Yeah, they process every Wednesday, so I will let you know. Okay, okay. I'm really curious. I mean, you requested it. Okay, then. So tomorrow, most likely, or after tomorrow, you should be receiving an email confirmation. Let us know if the money hit your bank account. not because of that. Just want to, I mean, just, you know, get some experience. How much time does it take for them to wire the money? Are there any special forms to fill or whatnot? You know, I'm really interested. Once I get to 20 Apex funded, we'll work on BULENOX 11, then TOPSTEP 3. Nice. That's a good plan, actually, Andy. That's a very good plan. That's a very, very good plan. It says 3 to 5 business days. So, yeah, we will see. Still, Methodical Man, I think what you did there is awesome. I mean, it's just awesome. And yet I'm feeling a little bit how should I say it? Last year, at the end of the year, from October, I thought that I was on a flow with TOPSTEP, and I was basically. I got $4,200 payout from TOPSTEP multiple times in October, November, and December. So I thought that finally everything is gonna be okay. But I soon realized that it's not that simple. It's not that simple. And since January, I'm a little bit struggling here, especially since I blew my accounts. That was a little bit emotional for me, and that gave me a little bit of a setback. And that's why. So it's gonna take a little bit longer than I thought to reach my goals with these funded accounts. So it is what it is. But I don't want to waste a month again. So I'm going to take the quick route on the Apex accounts. And I'm going to buy at least 5 to 10 Apex accounts to YOLO a few of them. I know I'm preaching all the time about do not YOLO accounts. Only pass them in one day and YOLO them if two things. If you have enough money to buy those accounts up front, and second, if you have some sort of experience of getting payouts from prop firms or some kind of a track record, even for at least 1 or 2 months of trading on a funded account, that is also good. So otherwise, do not pass it in one day, because even if you succeed in one day, what are you going to do with it? So that from that moment on, it's a little bit of too much emotional. But I don't have time. I don't want to waste another 3 months from the year to start all over at Apex with trading $100 and $200. So I need to YOLO a few accounts with Apex. And yeah, so that's my plan. I actually outlined my plan very much on a paper. You guys, I don't even want to show you guys. I have so many notes like this on my desk, writing down the numbers. I'm writing down BULENOX, Apex, how many accounts should I have, how should I manage them. And the plan is to have at least 8 to 10 funded accounts and copy trade around 3 accounts at once. Anyway, that's a long story, but that's my plan. And the best would be to take those accounts to like almost up to a profit level where I can withdraw some profits, and then just, you know, stop trading with the few of them and only trade like with 3 or 4. And if something really bad happens, I can still just switch to some new already funded and already profitable accounts. But that takes time, so I cannot waste more time on the evaluation phase. It's just taking too much energy, too much time, and I need to make some money after all this year from trading before my savings would run out, you know. No, I have some side income, so don't worry. But yeah, I'm gonna do a vlog about this, I think. All right, what are you guys up to? Look at this, we're consolidating. Everybody's waiting for market open. So let's see what happened here. Is this the actual footage? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Damn. This is like, wow. Jesus, holy. I heard that cars fell into the water. Oh my god. This is bad. Was someone hurt? I see that people and cars were in the water. Really? It says here that a dozen workers were on the bridge. Helicopter came and yeah. Wow. Is that a car? I think that's a car. I think there's a car right there. I mean, I think there are 1, 2, 3 cars. Maybe 4. Jesus Christ, look at them. My God. This is like... Those are cars. Oh my God. Cold water during the night. Yeah. Crazy. Howdy, Trade Oracle. Yeah. There's multiple. Oh yeah. Safety, speak about few cars and workers on the bridge. I was just reading. Oh, there's a huge political scandal here in Hungary right now. In the news. Again. Seems like our politicians did something bad again. It's like the Watergate, something like that, but it's worse. Actually. It seems like that the Minister of Justice knew that the Chief of Staff of the Prime Minister was manipulating the state attorney's papers for a case which involved millions of dollars of money going to some higher operative politicians. So it's very strange. And there's right now YouTube, that it's out on YouTube. There is tapes about proof that the chief of staff knew about this, and everything is crazy. Yeah. Hi lads and girls. Your Skyfarer bot is a beast, being running every night while I sleep, printing money. That's awesome, man. Politicians stealing money. That's been happening since the Egyptian days, probably. By the way, Trader Oracle, I did wanted to look into your software too, because I think I mean, everybody's talking about it, you know, and if everybody's talking about it, it must be good. I think I can find some info on your channel, right? I hope. Because, you know, if I get tired of, you know, doing this, I have to retire somehow. All right. Your penis will fall off. Don't worry about it. It's if you have anything there on your channel, but you know, whatever. Okay. Look at this. Approaching the 15-minute order block, guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. 58. Doesn't need much to reach that. I think it will go for it. And then going for the 39. Trust me. Do we have some news right now? Not yet. Or did we? We still have the 10 a.m. news. Yeah, we should be approaching this order block soon. Anyway. Yeah. I wonder if it's going to... No, it's not. Is it? No. I wonder if it's going to drop before the open, but I think it will. I think it should. Yeah, it will. It will. Let's check what ES is doing. ES also have some sell side down there. It's 56. It's like 48. Is this gonna go or not? Who knows? This should be down there. It can turn around easily. My biggest loss with Skyfire was 2,750, so I will be using 150k accounts from here on out. Okay, gotta go to work. Thanks so much for dropping in, TCG, Andy. Gotta check, do I have orders? No. Let me look at the accounts. So as of now, account-wise, today, so this is one of the BULENOX accounts. It's close to being funded. It's 2,933 as of today. The other BULENOX account is at 2,000, almost 900. The My Funded Futures account is a little bit behind, 2,416. But this one is the closest to being funded. But I really don't like to scalp. Skyfire does great in overnight trending markets. That's good to know. That's good to know. Is that some kind of, I mean, does it have, not that I judge anything or anyone, but is that some? I mean, does it have some kind of a martingale system adding to the positions? I mean, I guess it has, because most of these algos or robots has this thing. Which again, if you dedicate an account to it, it's okay, because that's your risk. I was just wondering, because I saw so many algos using martingale. Or at least partial. Okay, still hovering here. Still 8 minutes. Okay, just waiting, be patient. ES is going down. I think NQ should go down as well. But nothing to do unless we, well, yeah. Nothing to do here for now. Should be taking out the order block. And I don't know about the buy side right now, because ES is clearly taking a move down, which means NQ should be taking out that low. It's only 15 points away. The other sell side is at 32. Midnight level is 23. It's not far. It's not far. On the 5 minute, it's a market structure shift again. Could go up to 65, 64, and then drop. Asia low, I'm gonna put it there. Right here. Regular trading hours. No gap has been repriced. I think we should go lower. That's my bias for this session for now. We should continue lower after this move. That would be logical, especially if I'm checking the ES. right here. Should be going lower. Okay. All right, let's wait. Everybody be ready. I'm not a big fan of bots personally. I used one back in 16. Yeah, I lost a lot of money back in the days, but that was on MetaTrader, and yeah. Good evening, DX Wealth. How you doing? Welcome. And welcome everyone. Okay, going back to 70. Going back to 70, let's see. Come on. Come on. I'm talking to you. All right. This phase right now is really, really boring. Hopefully, market open will bring us something. Have to be prepared that until news there might be some ranging. So the actual move might gonna happen after 10. Gotta go with that. Hey Giri, how you doing? Good to see you. Good to see you. All right, 20 seconds. I don't really expect anything special here. The dog is barking, so that's bullish usually. Oh no, market opened up and I forgot to ring the bell, but I'm not gonna do that with you guys now. Greg, welcome. Alright, we're going down. Going down, taking out the order, almost taking out the order block. Almost, back to the 60s. Are we gonna go? Is it gonna take out the order block? Is it going to take out the order block or not? Should be, right? Or not. Or if it wants to go higher, then actually we have some good targets out there. Let's see if the order block is gonna get taken out or not. Or is it gonna go into the order block? Not yet. Not yet. Back up there. It's not been touched actually. So that's interesting. Well, so far nothing. Nothing crazy. Maybe taking out the 1 minute order block up there could be a possibility. Don't know. Not sure. Well, let's wait. If it wants more liquidity, then it can definitely take it around these levels. Just taking that out, but I don't know. Hard to tell. Just ranging again. No clear direction. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Have to wait. The order block is at 96. It can go there to 96. Reprice at 96 maybe. That would be a little bit dangerous, but it can do it. And we can just range. I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. It's definitely a little bit of a ranging market condition. Taking out the 1 minute order block and then, well, going higher. But if it goes higher, maybe one more try to go for the 600s, you know, higher. Who knows? It actually didn't take out the 1 minute order block there. So, I don't know. Maybe it will, maybe it not. But it's very close to take it out. I don't know. It's just a 1 minute order block. There's definitely some liquidity there, but who knows how much. Almost relative equal highs. I don't know. But if it starts to drop, then we are targeting the order block for sure. It's down there around 30 points at least. If this one goes down. Let's wait for it. Maybe one more try to the order block, who knows? Or I have to wait until news. Still 20 minutes. Let's see. Okay. Hovering here, with no real purpose. Are we gonna have the drop or what? There is some liquidity above there for sure, and down there too. Just don't know how much. Took the short. Well, the target is good for the order block. We just don't know how it will go. Good drop there. There are some good targets down there for sure. If it wants to go there, then there are some good targets. That's for sure. I mean, it needs around 15 points for Nasdaq. It's not a big deal. But, yeah. We will know. We have these relative equal highs. I don't like that actually, but on the 5-minute, well, yeah. Looks okay, I guess. Let me check something real quick. Just a second. Yeah, okay. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. It's fine. Nothing is happening. We have to wait until the news. Well, nothing is working. Nothing is moving. What can we do? What can we do? It's just raging as we expected. As we expected it. So, just as we expected it to be. Man, this price action is just it's awful. It's really, really awful. But I guess in 10 minutes we should be having a clean direction. I'm gonna have to restart my quant tower, I think. Not now, but I'm trading. I'm trading NQ most likely. I'm just waiting for a proper entry because market opened up. It pretty much just shook everybody a little bit, and I've got to wait for news. I'll let you guys know if I enter a trade. For now, just waiting for the news. That's all. That is all. Yeah. So, gotta watch out for that. Gotta watch out. What else do we have? Let's see. I think we should be all right to take out that order block on the downside. That should be a target. Yeah. Should be a good target. Still 6 minutes until news, so let's wait. Chop fest. Exactly. Exactly. Not much we can do for now. It's just a chop fest. What is my... I have a connection issue? Alright, let me try to reconnect. Maybe we will have a possible entry, but definitely have to wait for those news. Whatever happens. So far, yeah, so far it's going back higher. Yeah. It went back higher a little bit. Not that big a deal, but that's ranging. We have relative equal highs at 96. Don't forget that. That could be a problem at 96. I have to change. Parent connection. The copy trading bot is doing something not too good. All right, nice. Okay. I thought that there's an issue with the connection. Let's see the news. Let's see the news. Come on. We are close. Oh man, this is a chop fest. I mean, look at this. If you look at the 1 minute, it was actually going sideways after the London session, and now the only thing that is actually happening is, well, is going sideways again. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's just pull this order block here. Yeah, this should be okay right here. Right there. Could be just fine. Interesting how it didn't really touch that area, but now we're inside of another order block. Well, it's not that perfect like this one down here, but anyway. 15 seconds. Nvidia and Apple yesterday closed, so they go later up or down, and they move. Yeah. Okay, news came out. News came out. Let's see. What do we have here? going higher, I think. 600. Maybe he's gonna try the 626 again. Not sure. Feels a little bit risky, but it can go. What's the number? Still pending, right? Oh, 104 consumer confidence. Not sure. Not sure how that's gonna play out. ES on the 5-minute is indecisive. No entry. 605. I think it will go for that. Or should. For the 26. If it's reaching for liquidity. I think. But nobody knows. I mean, if that's the goal here. Because that's, yeah, that's at 26. Yeah. Repricing lower a little bit. Not sure. Not sure. All morning in the London session, they tried to push it to 26. But now, I don't know. Gotta wait here. If that buy side liquidity is really the target, then well, it's hard to say, but that would be the only logical reason for it to go to. I mean, only logical place. A lot of stops above the 18 level, I think. But from here, it's very hard to tell. I don't know. I don't know if it has the strength or not to go through. Feels like it's stuck here. Again. Does not have the strength to go through here. Stocks are not moving, yeah. So if they cannot move, then they can start to sell off really easy. If this cannot break through this 606 level, then very high chance that we might revisit that 15-minute order block down there. I don't know. It's not doing its thing. Weak. A little bit weak. Interesting. Interesting. Not convinced at all. Wow. Better price action after the weekend. Yeah, might be. This is a little bit confusing. Maybe after the weekend, yeah, we'll see some cleaner movements, because at this point, it's just really hard to tell where this one might go. Unpredictable. We have order blocks on both sides here. So if this cannot break through, this one can be a start of a sell-off. I don't have anything yet, so you have that buy side up there, but buyers just not stepping in right now. Not yet. Not yet, at least. All right. Breaking lower. A little bit of a reprice, but not convinced. This is still not enough right here. This is still not enough for price to break higher. No trend, no love. Yeah. No trend, no love. Oh, come on. We have to see some kind of a direction here. If it can make it higher, especially to that 26, then the only targets left is down there at the 15-minute order block. Okay, now it broke lower. But the question still remains. Is it gonna try once more? Or that's it? Pretty much ranging markets here. Hmm. The low is, this one is at 50. So if it would go down to, yeah, like 51, that would be also good. But now it's just repricing. It's not a strong market structure shift here. Actually, it's going higher. So it failed to drop, but it can still go down, but it's just hard to tell at this point. Maybe it will go once more for that 626. I could actually fall asleep too on this. It's so bad. It's just so bad. Don't even know what to think of this. Ranging markets, no clear drop. It's going higher again. It is what it is. No clear direction. The only clear direction would be the order block or the buy side, but there's nothing moving right now. Hard to tell what's gonna happen. This one should go all the way down to the 50s. Or up to 6 consolidation. Pretty much stuck here, I guess. Feels like it wants to go again higher. But if it does, what's ES doing right now? ES wants to go higher. Tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap. I thought it wants to sell off, but not for now. NQ is still fighting. The 600 is holding it. Market open was here, so almost down at the order block. I just, it's impossible to read even on the lower time frames. Could still be a bullish move coming up here, up to the 19. Okay, all right. Let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, the 600 is acting as support now, I think. And if it does, could it go to the 626 finally? Now it's below 600 again, a little bit. It's very boring. It is. It is. Should be finding some direction. But if it could break below the at least below the 87s, then we could target the 50s or 51-ish area to maybe go down to the order block. That would be really good. I don't see that happening right now. I don't know. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I was muted. I'm real sorry. I was just talking about we actually missed the move, so nothing extra. There was no retracement on this drop. I'm sorry, I was muted. I accidentally pushed the button here on my desk. But it couldn't do anything. There was no retracement, no significant levels up here. I mean, no, nothing. Maybe up here, but that was not a beautiful entry. So I would say... yeah, it wasn't good. There was no entry that we could utilize this move. Equal lows 499. Could be 499. There you go. Yeah, there is. Now that's a good target actually. That is actually a very, very good target. 499. Yeah, that would be a nice drop. We took out this swing low that we were talking about. And the question remains if it wants to turn around, take out that 1 hour fair value gap up there as buy side or continue lower. I wish I could tell, but at this point, there's just no clean entry. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I mean, this order block was okay. It was looking good. Now that it has been taken out, but I like these equal lows. That methodical man said it's yeah, 499.25-ish. That is a good target. Let's see the 1 hour. Oh yeah, of course. We have this beautiful candle too on the hourly chart. We're getting to 11 a.m. sooner or later. Well, this is interesting. Hi, Tom. I said hi, Tom. I wanted to say hi, Muhammad. Hi, Muhammad. How you doing? How you doing? I'm watching this price action so closely to get an entry, but I just don't see anything. I mean nothing. Not even under 1 minute. We need to reprice some levels first. The order block has been taken. No structure shift, not even a structure to go long. And if I look at the 15-minute, well, this is not a clean break of structure on the 15-minute. Although this candle still has almost 10 minutes to close. I was in profit around 100 plus, but due to TOPSTEP lagging problem, right now I get closed around with 10 only. Oh, the trade should bring me in profit for this trade. Well, that sucks, you know. Lagging issues, you know, it can come up with any platform. Last year, TradeAway had more issues. This year, Rhythmic is having issues many times. It's different every time. But yeah, sorry to hear that. Seems like we might continue lower. Look at this. What levels do we have? We have the 533 and the midnight level is 24. Okay. That could be interesting too. Nothing extraordinary. Let's see if we can catch some move here. Repricing a little bit higher, which could mean that, I mean, let's see, this is clearly shifted structure once, twice, three times here, which is great. But I wonder if that is going to be enough to go lower. And that was on the 5 minute, so could that be enough to go lower? I'm not sure. Let us see what is going on here. On the 5 minute, at least it tapped into that liquidity. A small fair value gap, but not a clean structure shift. This order block has been taken, so that's not important anymore. And sell side has been taken there. But if you look at the 5 minute, I don't know. What is ES doing right now? ES could be oh yeah, I don't see anything here on the daily. Could be going lower. I like to think that we can go lower here. There. With that move. All the way to what was, yeah. The Asia lows were at 517-ish. So why not, you know? we can just break that low at 35, is it 35? 35, yeah. Then it's it could be a clean drop. It's actually 34, right? Could be. I don't know. For now, it feels like it might want to go down, but not sure. So the Asia low is at 517. No shift yet, or no confirmation. You're short from 82. What? You're short from 82? 582? Hey, you're sitting in it. Nice. Man. 582. Wow. You're riding it. You're riding it, man. That's awesome. A little bit of a repricing here on this gap maybe. But you can ride it all the way down to 499. No signs of bullish movement yet. 30-second inversion gap. Wow, look at you go. Only on a micro. Still good. Hey, but it's still good. I mean, that is awesome. That is awesome, actually. How is my orders? Working orders. Yeah, I have no working order. I thought I left something on, but no. Let's see how this will go. I'm really thinking that maybe Apex, I mean, maybe I should buy like 3 or 4 Apex accounts minimum and try to YOLO them a little bit, maybe. Just maybe. Buy 10 tonight. Wow. I don't know if I want to buy. I mean, maybe I buy like tomorrow and Thursday. There should be some extra liquidity, hopefully. So maybe I should buy like a few, at least 4 or 5. If I go with 1 to 2 risk to reward, risking about $1,200 or $1,300 per trade, it should not be taking me out from the trade. Should be able to get to at least $2,600 in profit, and usually at least 1 out of 4 trades should be okay, maybe 2. So if I buy about 5 or 6 accounts, I should be ending up at least with 1 account being almost funded or something like that. So looking forward to that. Maybe that's gonna be something. Maybe for Thursday, for the London stream, I should be buying some Apex and BULENOX accounts too. You know, YOLO at least 5 or 6 during the day. Minimum. Let's not waste time, you know. And then go down back to micro trading on the funded accounts and start to build them up. That would be good. These fighter jets are like going crazy around this block. I mean, they're flying just above the house. It's really like living next to Top Gun. They are super loud. Super loud. All right. What else do we have here? Let's YOLO a few accounts, guys. Let's do it, everyone. Come on. What else? What else do we have? All right, it's dropping again. It's dropping. Let's go, let's go. All right. Looks to be that way. It should be going down to clear out the Asia lows, I think. Maybe. It's down below. Yeah, it's like 24 points away. Absolutely possible. But if I go to the 15-minute, let me check again. Yeah. Feels like we're stuck here. ES is also stuck on the 5-minute. Look at this. Since the market open is just going sideways. One of those days, and there might not be any more action left during the day. I wish there could be, but I don't see any other thing happening. Let me know what you guys are doing. Anybody into some superb trades? Don't forget there are some very good discounts right now. With my funded futures, 30% off from starter, no activation fee until the 6th of April. So that's very good. So what else? Oh yeah, resets are only $50 if you need it. And yeah. And also from the expert accounts, 20% discount for activation. Let me do a recap of what of what have I done here during the day. That was a 1 to 2 risk to reward. And in the New York kill zone, there was pretty much nothing. There was one possible trade at the start of the New York kill zone, which was not all that perfect, but I'm going to show you. It happened after 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there was a liquidity sweep here, and also here to the to up there. And if you zoom it out properly, there was a small market structure shift, bullish, right there, with the fair value gap. Let me point this one out. So right there, fair value gap, and then yeah, not a good risk to reward. It could have gone south easy. Okay, never mind. So yeah, this would have been a loss. So we wanted to win a possible. I'm just, you know, thinking out loud and backtesting in my head. This would have been a loss. And what else happened? That was not a clean break on the 1 minute, so that's irrelevant. Okay, now it's going up. Today I'm technically at break even, so I mean absolutely break even, like to the tick. Scalped a little bit here and there with no good. Nah, well, you know, nothing extra result. I think it's no use to force it right now, right? It's never good to force it. Well, I don't know, guys. I don't have the. Anyway, I think I'm gonna close it here. I have nothing to trade. So yeah, that's it. I'm just tired to do this for today. It was great, but you know what can we do? I'm at break even. So thank you for being here today. It was a good London session, an exciting New York session too. Well, that was sarcasm, but I think that's it for me. I'll be back tomorrow in the London session. Might gonna buy some more accounts. So thank you for being here, Giri. Thank you so much. If you guys could support me, please use my codes and links if you want to buy some accounts for yourself. Don't forget, there are some good discounts if you want to use them. Thank you so much for watching. It was a little bit boring day, sideways, but it is what it is. Guys, please come back tomorrow in London session, and you know, we're gonna have some better price action hopefully, because it's 11 a.m. Kill zone is over. I don't like the lunch hour, and that's it. Thank you, Zoltan. Thank you, MacLoving, and thank you everybody, Methodical Man, and everyone who joined. Have an awesome evening, and you know, see you guys tomorrow. Cheers, everyone.